These are the elevators at the BMO Harris Plaza in Sarasota, Florida. We've got innovation fixtures. These used to be Haughton, but they got modded. This one's got padding on the walls. Let's see where we can go. 11 actually works. Okay.
The 11th floor.
Let's go down the one.
Going down.
Here's your cab view.
First floor. Going up.
We're gonna get another elevator. So these were modded in 2019, I believe. I actually have a video from when these were in the process of being modded. Elevators 2 and 3, I believe, are identical, so we're just gonna ride this one.
The 11th floor. Going down. First floor. Going up.
On second thought, we're just gonna see if we can get elevator number 3. If it looks identical, we're not gonna ride it. We just got elevator number 1. We're not gonna hang around here for too long, so that'll be it.